Welcome to Delphi at DXC. Today, I have Namit Bhargava joining me to talk about Industry 4.0. Namit is an industry principal focusing on aerospace, defense, and manufacturing. Welcome, Namit.
Thank you for having me, Briana. I have been in supply chain digital transformation business for over 25 years. I'm based out of Philadelphia, and I am so excited to talk about Industry 4.0 with you. I believe this is the best time in human history to be alive. We have the thought leadership, resources, technology, and the intent to face global challenges and issues. But we all need to have an Industry 4.0 mindset.
Thanks, Namit. Can you share a little bit more about the Industry 4.0 mindset and what challenges you see our clients facing today?
The Industry 4.0 mindset is a growth mindset. Industry 4.0, also known as smart manufacturing, provides technology, tools, and techniques to optimize labor from the manufacturing process. Labor costs no longer offer a competitive advantage for companies. The US has obsolete manufacturing facilities, while emerging countries are deploying state-of-art facilities and maximizing Industry 4.0 imperatives. Today, 60% of the tasks in manufacturing world can be automated via collaborative robots and computer-aided machines. The challenge I see is our clients' lack of a systematic approach to modernize their manufacturing facilities. Our clients need a manufacturing roadmap. Post-COVID, we experienced massive supply chain issues. Our clients are ensuring and bringing back the manufacturing capabilities. However, as we have not invested in the manufacturing capabilities in past few decades, this has become a very challenging task.
Thanks for sharing this perspective. How can we help with some of the challenges you pointed out from a services and architecture point of view?
Great question. I'd like to share an Industry 4.0 reference architecture with you. Everyone in the enterprise can use this to plan their roadmap and define the transformation initiatives required to address today's challenges. At the bottom of the screen, you see the shop floor, and this is your plant where you have all the assets, and this is where you would deploy connected assets use cases. You have edge computing to aggregate all the data and to stream it to the cloud. Next, you have the IoT platform, which will enable you to deploy Industry 4.0 use cases. On top of the IoT platform, you have on-premise and SaaS supply chain manufacturing systems. If you create a digital thread between CAD, PLM, ERP, MES, and MRO system, you allow seamless information and you can create a digital twin. Next, you have a data platform for all your big data initiatives. On top of that, you see the API and the integration layer, which allows seamless flow of information within the enterprise and outside the enterprise. Cloud. Most of our customers have on-premise data center along with 2 or more mega-scaler hybrid cloud providers. You need visibility in the enterprise, and that is why we have an analytics platform that can enable everyone to make data-based decisions. On the top, you have the customer experience, and I cannot emphasize how important this is. Modern workplace and intelligent collaboration are the key to success in this space.
Thanks for joining me today and walking us through the Industry 4.0 reference architecture and how each layer addresses different challenges and integrates to ensure enterprise-wide visibility.
Thank you, Briana, for having me and letting me share my thoughts. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure. Please reach out with any questions, challenges, or strategic priorities related to Industry 4.0. We are here to help. See you all next time on Delphi at DXC.